Today we'll talk about how can you find parking history on your uh, by phone app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on the parking history. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find all parking history you have. Like you see, I have no parking history yet, but if you have it, you will find it here on this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish now you I give it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.